How secure do you think your digital world is from the new breed of hackers, powered by artificial intelligence? Welcome to the future shock of AI, a reality where machines are pitted against machines in a high-stakes battle of wits. Artificial intelligence, once a figment of science fiction, is now a mighty force shaping our world. But like any potent tool, it can be a double-edged sword. As we speak, there is an emerging threat on the horizon: AI-powered hacking tools. These aren't your regular run-of-the-mill cyber threats. They're sophisticated, relentless, and capable of outsmarting traditional cybersecurity measures. Imagine a hacker that never sleeps, never tires, and learns from each attempt to breach your defenses. That's the power of AI in the wrong hands. The potential for autonomous cyber attacks is real and growing. It's no longer just about stealing personal information or disrupting business operations. The stakes are much higher. We're talking about AI-driven attacks that can manipulate financial markets, sabotage critical infrastructure, or even compromise national security. The scary part is, these AI-powered hacking tools are becoming more accessible to cybercriminals. With the democratization of AI technology, what was once the domain of state-sponsored hackers or sophisticated cybercrime syndicates is now becoming a playground for even the most novice of hackers. Let's take a moment to digest that. Our personal and professional data is becoming increasingly vulnerable. Our traditional cybersecurity measures, while necessary, are no longer enough. This is like a chess game where your opponent can think 20 moves ahead. It's a frightening prospect, isn't it? But it's not all doom and gloom. This future shock of AI also presents opportunities for us to rethink and strengthen our cybersecurity strategies. It's a call to action for us to be more vigilant, more proactive, and more innovative in protecting our digital world. As we stand on the brink of this new era, one must ask, are we prepared for the onslaught of AI-powered cyber threats? Tune in to our next segment as we delve deeper into the human factor in AI hacking and explore how we can outsmart the machines. But what about us, the humans? How does our role change in this high-stakes game of cyber cat and mouse? As we navigate the digital labyrinth, we must not forget that we're an integral part of the equation. The role of human error and social engineering in AI-assisted hacking cannot be understated. Let's consider human error. Yes, we're fallible. We click on dubious links, use weak passwords, and sometimes neglect software updates. These seemingly small missteps can open the door wide for AI hacking tools. What was once a little mistake can now be exploited by an AI, causing a ripple effect that can lead to catastrophic breaches. Then there's social engineering. This is where hackers manipulate people into divulging confidential information. It's psychological trickery at its finest, and AI is making it even more sophisticated. With AI, hackers can now automate and scale up their social engineering attacks, making them more effective and harder to detect. So, where does this leave us? Well, it underscores the importance of cybersecurity awareness. It's not enough to have the most advanced AI defenses if the people using them are not aware of the threats they face. We need to foster a culture of cybersecurity where individuals and organizations are aware of the potential risks and know how to mitigate them. This means regular training, staying updated on the latest threats, and employing best practices in data security. It's also essential to remember that while AI can be a formidable foe, it's also a powerful ally. AI can help us detect threats faster, analyze vast amounts of data for signs of suspicious activity, and respond to breaches in real time. But it's not just about the technology, it's about us, the individuals behind the screens. We are the first line of defense. We can make a difference. The future of cybersecurity is not just about fighting machines with machines. It's about equipping humans with the knowledge and tools to defend against these advanced threats. So the question remains, can we outsmart the machines that are designed to outsmart us? As we hurtle headlong into a future where artificial intelligence is woven into the very fabric of our existence, this question becomes increasingly pertinent. The answer, it seems, is not a simple yes or no. It's a challenge that demands a delicate balance of innovation, foresight, and ethical responsibility. AI hacking, as we've established, is a formidable opponent. It's relentless, efficient, and alarmingly intelligent, but it's not infallible. Machines, for all their complexity, still lack the human capacity for intuition and creative problem-solving. This is our edge, and it's one we need to exploit strategically. One potential solution to combat AI hacking is the development of responsible AI. This means creating AI systems that are transparent, explainable, and fair. It's about ensuring that these systems are designed and used in a way that respects user autonomy and privacy. By fostering a culture of responsibility in AI development, we can help mitigate the risks of AI-assisted hacking. But it's not just about building better machines. It's also about anticipating the threats of tomorrow and preparing for them today. This involves constantly updating and evolving our cybersecurity strategies to stay one step ahead of the AI-powered threats. Ethical considerations also play a crucial role in this battle. As we build more advanced AI systems, we must also grapple with the ethical implications of our creations. What safeguards should we put in place to prevent misuse? How do we ensure transparency and accountability in AI-driven decisions? These are questions we must answer as we navigate this new frontier. Ultimately, outsmarting the machines is not just a technological challenge, but a human one. It's about harnessing our creativity, our critical thinking, and our ethical compass to build a future that is not only technologically advanced, but also secure and equitable. As we gear up for this new frontier in cybersecurity, it's clear that the key to success lies not just in advanced technology, but also in our ability to anticipate and adapt to these evolving threats. The rise of AI hacking may seem daunting, but it also presents an opportunity for us to rethink and redefine our approach to cybersecurity. This new era of cyber warfare where machines battle machines is not all doom and gloom. Instead, it's a call to action, a wake-up call, if you will, to strengthen our defenses and arm ourselves with knowledge. We must foster a culture of continual learning, staying abreast of the latest advancements in AI and understanding their potential implications on cybersecurity. Simultaneously, we need to be proactive, not reactive in our cybersecurity measures. We can't simply wait for a breach to happen. We need to anticipate and prevent attacks. Moreover, the development of AI doesn't have to be a Wild West scenario. It's incumbent upon us to ensure ethical considerations are at the forefront, guiding the responsible development and use of AI. In this digital arms race, it's not just about who has the most advanced technology, but who is prepared to adapt, learn, and evolve in the face of ever-changing threats.